most profitable faceless channel ideas to start in 2025. You are thinking of starting a YouTube channel in 2025 but don't want to show your face on camera. You are in the right place. Today I'm going to break down 10 channels idea that can seriously fast track your growth and you will start making money super quickly on YouTube. Over the past few weeks, I'll be diving deep into YouTube latest trend for 2025 and I'll pick out ideas that are not just highly profitable but also future-proof and perfect for building a loyal audience on your channel. And the best part, you don't need to learn a new skill to get started. Here is the thing: you can launch a faceless cooking channel or even a crypto channel, but those kind of channels require you to actually know how to cook or trade crypto. And the idea I'm sharing with you today are much more beginner friendly, and the best part is a lot of the heavy lifting can be done using AI tools. We are going to start with the easiest channel niches to make, and then we'll move on to the ones with the biggest income potential, which take a bit more effort. So the first faceless channel idea you can start is faceless story channel. These channels are incredibly easy to set up and you can grow very fast. Take Dream Spark for instance. The channel has over 125,000 subscribers in the same time has earned close to $2,000 last month with 258,000 views. Another channel, Bible in a Nutshell, for example, in just 1 year they have gained over 230 subscribers and making over $2,000 per month and with average 2 million views. Wise Vibe has gained 91,000 subscribers from only 39 videos, and last month they earned over $300 from just 43,000 views. These videos are simple to create. Take a look the kind of video with the basic animations and voiceovers. You can bring this type of stories to life. AI tools like Flicky AI or InVideo can help you create animation, voiceover, and background music to make the process effortless. One trend I have noticed is that channels like Bible story faceless channels are going viral right now, and that shows there is definitely demand for this kind of content. So the next channel idea is true horror story channels. These faceless channels niches is a spin-off of the faceless story channel but focuses on the real bone-chilling stories. Channels like Chilling Scares and Mr. Nightmare are raking in millions of views each month and earning substantial revenue, over $65,000 for Chilling Scares, earning substantial revenue or income. The key is to find true horror stories, narrate them with a chilling voiceover, and pay them with a simple visuals and a good background. AI tools can help you create this kind of videos, making the process easier than ever. You can use ChatGPT to create the prompt from the story script, then you use Leonardo AI to generate images. Now moving on to the third niche idea, which is books summary channel. These channels provide actionable insight from popular books, especially in the non-fiction space like self-help or finance. Despite the rise of audiobooks, this channel continue to grow because they offer more engaging book summaries. Channels like Escaping Ordinary have earned over $2,000 in a month. They summarize the key points from books, and using AI tools like InVideo or Flicky or any other video generative AI, you can turn these summaries into polished animated videos that can captivate your audience and you get much views. If you are passionate about self-improvement and productivity, you might want to consider number 4 faceless channel idea, which is self-help channel. Better like Improvement Pew or Easy Arts are thriving in this space with millions of views each month. These channels stand out by using engaging story and practical tips to keep their audience hooked. For those interested in analyzing internet trends, celebrity culture, or social media influencers, starting an internet or pop culture analysis channel will be a great fit, which is number 5 faceless YouTube channel idea you can start. Modern Guest has gained over millions of views by breaking down fashion, media, and beauty trends, helping their audience understand the cultural impact of this movement. The number 6 faceless channels idea you can consider starting is movie and TV show analysis. This channel dives deeper into the plot line, hidden messages, or endings of a popular films or TV shows. Channels like Think Story are hugely successful because they offer deeper insight into well-loved movies or TV shows, helping viewers understand things they might have missed. Now, 7th faceless channel idea you can start in 2025 is history or geography channel. For a more intellectual niche, you can consider creating geography or history channel. If you enjoy explaining the world's political and economic landscape or breaking down historical events. This type of channel have a broad appeal. Channels like Hide Sites have proven that with in-depth research and SQL engaging videos, you can build a loyal audience. The easiest niche you can start is AI-related content channel. AI-related content channel is booming niche right now. Channels that teaches people how to make money with AI, like AI Kinesis or AI and AI Profit Mentor, are earning thousands of dollars each month. If you can provide the new actionable strategies on how to use AI tools to make money, this is a space where you can quickly monetize and grow your channel very fast. Number 9 high potential channel is the creator analysis channel. With the creator economy thriving, you can analyze the rise and fall of popular YouTubers or other influencers. Channels like Internet Anarchists have done exceptionally well by diving into the controversies, strategies, and successes of online creators, and I have seen huge financial success as a result of that. Finally, number 10 faceless channel is the in-depth documentary channel idea. It is one of the most promising in 2025 as short-form content saturated the internet. People are craving longer and well-researched documentaries. Magnet Media are proving the potential for in-depth high-quality documentary channel. Whether you are interested in business, food, film, documentaries, this channel offers the opportunity to dive deep into the subject and provide the audience with insight they can't find elsewhere. Whatever channel idea you decide on, remember to choose one that incites you. If you are motivated by passion rather than just money, you will get content that truly resonates with your audience and help you build a sustainable brand and income. Let me know which idea resonates most with you in the comment section. And once you have decided, check out my next video where I will give you a clearer roadmap for launching your faceless channel in 2025 by subscribing to the channel. And thank you. If you are still with me till this time, please hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out anytime I upload a video on this channel. Thank you for watching.